we're gonna add some garnish, which is bacon and some Parmesan cheese. Hi everyone, it's me again, Arnie's Casina Camp. If you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos to come. Since it is raining whole day today, I'm thinking about making some soup. Soup is really perfect for this kind of weather. So tonight, I'm gonna make soup. Join me tonight in preparing and cooking it. So these are the ingredients. I have some bacon here. I already fried and it's already crunchy. I just need 6 to 7 pieces of stripped bacon, 1 pound of sweet Italian sausage ground, 1 bunch cleaned and chopped kale, whipping cream, 5 pieces of russet potato, 4 cloves of huge garlic, 1 medium size of onion. I'm using a yellow onion as always. I need also 32 ounces of chicken broth, and we also need some water. So I need 16 ounces of water, and of course I'd like to have a little bit kick of my soup, so I'm using also a crushed red pepper. And for the topping, when the soup is to be served, this is also optional. You can use a Parmesan cheese, or if you don't like, then you can omit. So let's go start preparing all the ingredients. So I have to peel the garlic, and then I need to mince this so I can do mincing later on. And then the onion. So onion needs to be minced onion or chopped onion. So I'm just gonna chop this. And we're going to peel the potato. Let me finish this all, guys, and then I'll get back to you. So now we're going to slice the potato, and I don't need to be specific shape, as long as the thickness is supposed to be a 1/4 inch. Alright guys, let me finish this all to be sliced and I'll get back. So we're going to saute the Italian sausage. About 5 minutes. Forgot to turn on this thing. And we have to make sure that it's breaking up. And after that, once it's done, we're going to transfer this to a plate with a paper towel to just to get rid of the excess oil from the sausage. Let's break it through. it's been 5 minutes. So this is ready. We're going to transfer this to a plate with a paper towel. Now that all my ingredients are ready, let's go ahead and start the cooking. I have a big pot here and I set the heat on medium-high heat, and we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. We're going to saute the onion first. About 5 minutes or until soft and golden. And then we're gonna add the minced garlic here and saute for about a minute. Garlic. Then we're gonna add a chicken broth. Four cups of chicken broth. And 6 cups of water. Then we're going to bring this to a boil. Now that it is boiling, we're gonna go add the potatoes. And we're gonna cook the potatoes until it is easy to press with fork. Around about like 12 to 13 minutes. This recipe, guys, is inspired from one of the channel that I'm doing. This is my second time that doing this recipe, and as always, the result is really tremendous good. This recipe is from Natasha's Kitchen. She's one of my favorite. Most of her recipe I'm doing it, but I add a little bit twist of my own. We're gonna check if our potatoes are tender or easy to break now. Needs a little more time. About 3 minutes, and then we're going to add the sausage and the kale. So it's been 13 minutes and I do believe that the potato is easy to pierce with the fork. So we're gonna add the sausage. I like the smell right now. And then we're gonna bring this lightly boil. Now that it is light boil, we're going to add the whipping cream, 1 cup of the whipping cream. we're gonna bring this to boil. And once it's boiled, we're going to add some salt and pepper and also the red pepper flakes. Now that it is boiling, we're going to taste it or add some salt and pepper. Try this. Yep, need some salt and pepper. Of course, we're gonna add some pepper flakes. There you go. And this is ready to serve. There you go, guys. Zuppa Toscana soup, inspired from Natasha's kitchen. This is perfect for this kind of weather right now that it's raining and cold. It's ready to serve for dinner. Hope you enjoy watching my video, and please let me know what do you think about this video and the content. And don't forget to like, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And once again, thank you for watching. Bye!